proposed, that are in place at the moment, will they cover all sorts of white-collar employees, or are there any sort of white-collar employees that would not be covered by the rules?
Well, it's theoretically based on your duties, right? So, whether someone perceives the job as white-collar or blue-collar doesn't quite matter as much, and sort of the prestige and pay of a job matter less as well. I mean, you can have someone who is a very skilled, let's say, they're an incredibly skilled craftsman or something like that, and they're making a lot of money. But if they're not if they're not supervising any employees, if they don't have a professional degree, meaning a master's degree or better, or they're not making independent decisions about how their work is going to be performed, then it's very unlikely that they are going to be exempt. I mean, there are some other exemptions as well. There's a computer exemption and so on that we tend to not really use as much because it more deals with programming and things like that rather than just using a computer. So yeah, it's not really the socioeconomic classification that exempts you. It's what you're doing. And the hardest one to satisfy is the administrative exemption. I found in my practice that probably a large majority of people that I've seen classified as exempt under the administrative exemption are not properly classified. Once I actually interview that person and I find out what they're doing and I look at their job description. So you really have to look and see what this person is doing. You have to get their job description. If you are using the administrative exemption for a large part of your workforce, I would probably call an attorney today and have them do an audit. I don't think that is one that you want to rely on because it's just so hard to hit.